guys, and welcome to another episode of Learn with Lamberth. Today I want to talk quickly about Mentimeter. Mentimeter.com is an awesome website that you can use to poll students, to present, and to just share data. I learned more about Mentimeter when I was at GAETC last week and really got excited about using it in classes with students. So let me go to Mentimeter.com, and you'll see that it uses live polls, quizzes, and more to get real-time input. So you can use a computer or any smart device to present and to get audience input using Mentimeter. Mentimeter is free for anyone using it. You can have unlimited for teachers and students. You have unlimited audience size and unlimited presentations. You can then upgrade, if you really like Mentimeter, to around $7 a month to what they call an educational basic package, where you can get unlimited questions per presentation, you can export your data, and you get total ownership of your data. If you really like Mentimeter, you can then upgrade to an educational pro package, which is around $15 a month, and everything becomes unlimited. I only have a basic package, and so far I've been happy with that. So I've created kind of a dummy account so I can walk you through this. So let's go to a new presentation. And you'll see that all of your presentations just line up right there as soon as you go into Mentimeter. And once you enter a presentation, it gives you all of your options for adding question types, competitions, content slides, advanced questions. They're all there. Now the star means that you must have an upgraded package in order to add that. So only if it has a star doesn't mean you cannot use that. I love doing word clouds. That is something that you can do to get students thinking, to get them to show their understanding of a concept. It's great for brainstorming. This is also a great tool for social emotional learning and engagement in the classroom. You can embed videos, you can embed images, bullets, quotes, numbers, grids. So all different types of items. You can do an open-ended question, multiple choice, lots of different things. Mentimeter is a tool that is in beta testing right now through Mentimeter, which is a remote presentation tool that they have that you can use to present remotely your Mentimeter. So pretty cool. And you can see the audience questions coming in, all the feedback. So very, very cool. Once you are done with your presentation, you can share it. It gives you a voting code. The link you can just copy and paste into MS Teams, into the chat. You can paste it into It's Learning. And then it even has a QR code that you can embed into your Google Slides. You can put on the board in your classroom. So many different options. As well, if you go over to presentation sharing, you can just copy the link, and that is where you can see the live results. You can also embed this if you are doing a Google Slides presentation or if you want to include it in your classroom website. And that is where they get to see the live feedback coming in. So let's say we're going to add a word cloud. And we'll say describe technology with 3 words. If I want to customize this, I can do instructions. I can make it look differently. I can do a theme. Maybe I'm feeling like the mountains today. So there's my theme today. I can also go and configure. So I can go at my pace as the presenter, or I can do the audience pace. So if I'm doing this in the classroom and I just want students to go through the presentation and without me presenting per se, they can answer the question and then move ahead to the next question. I can change the language. The audience can ask questions. I can leave the moderation on or off. Moderation means that the questions will not post until I approve them. The audience can give or not give comments. And I can change the profanity filter to where no profanity is allowed. It also has examples slides that have already been produced. So this is wonderful that you can use, and there are tons in here that you don't have to think about, oh gosh, how do I do this, or what do I need to do? If you go into education, there are so many in here, and you can just search for those already. So you don't have to recreate the wheel. So once you are ready, you can go to present, and everything is ready to go for you. You go to menti.com, use the code, or you've already embedded your link and your code in It's Learning and everywhere for your students. I will go back to my home page and show you another example that I tried out with some students earlier today. And just a social emotional check-in. And how are you feeling today? And all they had to do was move their little blue dot to one place on the screen. And great, okay, not so great. And that led to a great conversation in the classroom about it's okay to have not so great days and it's okay to have great days. So, and then describe our class with 3 words. And I did not really give them a whole lot of rules, so you'll see that things are not spelled correctly, and they came up with some words that are not actually words. But it was a very fun opener for the class. You can use Mentimeter for openers, for closings, for tickets out the door, for checks for understanding, so many different ways that you can use this. So I hope this has been a good tool to add to your toolbox. Please reach out if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day.